Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know why am I so dolled up, like look at that bold red lip color and I'm all home. This is just for the video, I have no place to go, but I was like, let's doll up and sit in front of the cam and talk to you guys. Okay, so I washed my hair yesterday, but still it's so greasy. This is what happens whenever I'm filming. My hair looks so oily. I'm considering to buy a dry shampoo. I have no idea how it works and if at all it's good for your scalp or not. So if you guys have used it before, let me know about it in the comment section down below. Should I get a dry shampoo, and if yes, then which one? Please do recommend. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be about to buy or not to buy. So I'll be reviewing few products for you guys that I've bought for myself and some I received as gifts on my birthday, and I've used these products for about a month and I'm gonna share my reviews with you, and I'm gonna tell you like if it's worth your money or not. All due credits to Sherry Shroff. She's the one who came up with this idea and I really liked it, and I really watch a lot of her videos, so due credits to her for today's video inspo. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys and give you mini reviews whether you should invest in these products or not, right? Okay, so let's start with skincare. So let's begin with this product. This is Body Cupid's Tea Tree and Neem Anti-Acne Face Wash for oily skin, and one of you only recommended this product to me, not this product. Actually, you guys asked me to try Body Cupid ka aloe vera gel, but me being me, I was like literally lost and I thought this is aloe vera gel on the website and I ordered, but when I received it, it was actually a face wash. Anyway, I was looking for a face wash, so I thought I'll keep it because it's actually meant for oily skin and I have extremely oily skin. So this one is from Body Cupid. Okay, so they claim that it's sulfate free, paraben free and silicone free. So I was actually looking for a face wash which is free from all these compounds, so I'm glad that this is the main highlight of the product. And it says that it is meant for oily skin, and it has got tea tree and neem extracts, and you only need small amount for your whole face. It lathers up really well and it's able to clean all the junk from your face. It says that it is meant for oily skin. I absolutely agree with it. It's actually meant for oily skin. It refreshes your skin right from the first wash. Really a good face wash for oily skin, but I feel that it kind of makes my face dry, like it makes my oily face dry. So make sure that you guys use good moisturizer, otherwise it will make your face little dry. It retails for $299, that is 300 rupees, but I got it for 215 from Amazon. I'll link it down below. So I really like the product. The packaging is also good, very nice, very easy, affordable and very effective. Moving on, this one is Bioorganic 100% pure aloe vera gel. So I got this product 2 or 3 months ago and I like it. Nothing really great about this product. It's nice, just like any other aloe vera gel. For 200 rupees you get 175 ml of the product. It's really nice. I use it basically for my lashes. I've done a video on how I use aloe vera gel and vitamin C capsules together for my eyebrows and eyelashes. If at all I find it, I'll insert it here. And yeah, it's on my Instagram, by the way. So yeah, right after my face wash I use this product. It's gel based. I don't use cream based moisturizer as of now because it kind of makes my skin oily, so I use gel based moisturizer, and aloe vera gel really works for me. You guys know it already. And I also use this to apply my highlighter because I don't like the powdery finish of the highlighter. So yes, that's all about this product. Nothing great as such, but really nice, works well. That's all about this product. Alright, so I received this body scrub from M Caffeine. M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, coffee with coconut. I got it as a gift on my birthday. I really like body scrubs and I found this one really nice. It smells like coffee. Yeah, it literally smells like coffee, like actual coffee. The shelf life of this product is 6 months. Quantity is really nice, guys. You can actually use it for about some 6 months. So it's basically meant for normal to oily skin. Yeah, after using this product you need to apply moisturizer. Before I shave my body I like to scrub because it kind of works as an exfoliator and I'm able to remove all the body hair very well. The granules are really nice, so I like to use it twice a week, and it also comes with this spoon, so it's really very easy to use the product. It doesn't get clumsy while you're in the bathroom, and I use it twice a week. After I use this product I like to moisturize my skin really well, and it gives that softness. And if at all you're looking for some good body scrub, you can consider this one. I really like it. And also the best part is that it's cruelty free, it is SLS free, and the shelf life of this product is 6 months, and it's paraben free. All things sorted. So yes, next product that I'm going to review for you guys is this Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner. I've been using this product for about some 8 months and I really love it. Body Shop is an amazing brand. They provide you quality stuff, and you know, without any harmful ingredients. It's also cruelty free, and the packaging is recyclable. So that's something that I always look for. This toner contains tea tree oil, so when you apply it, it will give you the tingling feeling initially, but after some time it will absorb fully. It's really very lightweight, and it says that it's suitable for blemished skin. Because of these pimples and acne scars, I've got huge large pores on my skin, and because of this toner I believe it's actually has reduced, but it didn't really work on my pimples or acne scars. Like, I do have active pimples and scars, but I really do feel that it has actually worked on my pores. So I like this product, and it retails for $7.99. I'm not sure. Yeah, $7.99, and worth it. It actually lasts long. It's been 8 months, and 250 ml आपको देता है ये product. I really like it. So if you're looking for a good toner for an oily skin or a combination skin type, then you can consider this one. Next product that we have is this sunscreen from UV Docs, and it has got SPF 30 PA+++. It says that it's for all skin types, and it's oil free, lightweight, non-greasy and whatnot, but honestly it's a flop. I didn't really like this product. It says that it's meant for oily skin, and also it's not greasy, but the moment you apply this, you actually feel that you have something on your face. Like, it's really heavy, and I started sweating. So the only reason for me to try this brand was the fact that it's paraben free, and also it was quite affordable. So I thought I'll give this a try, but clearly it didn't work for my skin. I felt that it kind of makes my skin oily, very greasy, and I really didn't like the finish of this product. But I really do like the packaging. It's really very easy. It has got this pump, and a little bit of product is enough for your whole face. If you have a dry skin, you can consider buying this product. And also it's really very nice. It absorbs quickly to your skin. Like, it's got a cream based formula, but I'm not a big fan of cream based because it doesn't work for my skin type. Next, I've got this interesting product with me. It's called Lip Mousse. It's from this brand called Absolute New York, and it's in the shade Urban. So basically, it's not a lipstick, it's not a lip gloss, it's a lip cream. I mean, it gives that moisture to your lips. It retails for 174 rupees. I'm not sure. This one is in the shade Urban. It kind of washes my skin out. Like, if you apply this alone, then बहुत ही pale लगेगा आपकी skin में. But if you try to apply this on top of another lipstick, or basically if you try to layer this lip shade with other lip shades, it looks so good. It's such a beautiful shade. इसी range में they also have other shades as well. They look so gorgeous. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I like to use a lighter shade on top of a bold shade to make it kind of everyday kind of shade, like wearable shade. See, okay, see, now my lip color looks like a fuchsia pink kind of shade. So yeah, that's how I like to, you know, use my lipsticks. I like to layer them, get a shade that I feel suits my skin tone. I don't really apply one lipstick. I like to layer it all over and create a shade that suits my skin tone. So yeah, I really like this product. It's really nice. The packaging is good, and it's got this premium finish packaging, and also it retails for 174 rupees, which is a steal. If you want to use just this one lipstick, then they've also got some bold shades in this range. But one thing is that it's not transfer proof, and it doesn't last long. Like, if you apply this alone, then it doesn't last long, and it's also not transfer proof. These are some of the things that I felt when I applied this product alone. But if you like to layer it with other lip shades, it looks really good. You can layer this lip shade with any bold color, and it will give you that everyday kind of look. Yes, that's all about this lipstick. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these mini reviews. Thank you so much for all the love and for all the support. I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Till then, bye. Take care.